Have you had clients for whom this has become a reality? Have you walked them through the process of doing the financial plan?
Yes. So there's one family who did this and realized that it's not some sort of eat, pray, love, Hollywood, romance. It's just, oh my gosh, what did we do? This is terrible. We need to get back. But the couple who did it, right? They planned. We had a chance to talk through things, and we looked at numbers. We looked at amounts. We looked at healthcare, taxation. There's a litany of items that need to be addressed. If you're not working with somebody, we'd be honored to talk with you. And because there's a lot of things that we have done. This is not our first time helping somebody do this. This is probably your first time doing this.
Right.
So of all the things that we've talked about, we're happy and honored to help. Just talk with somebody to work through this so that you're not absolutely surprised in country and you have no recourse.